Morning students, Sairam. Now today we'll be doing the revision of grammar topics, nouns and adjectives. Okay, we have already studied both the topics in detail, so we'll just revise in short. So let's first begin with noun and kinds of noun. So what is a noun, children? A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, action or quality. Which are the different kinds of nouns? Yes? Correct. Proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun and material noun. So these are the 5 kinds of noun. Yes? You have already studied this in detail. So now let's learn about it in short. Okay? What is a proper noun? Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, places and things. They always begin with a capital letter. So let's see some examples. Tom, Taj Mahal, Friday, Christmas, River Nile. So you can see name of a person, then place, days of the week. So Friday. Then Christmas, name of a festival. So it is all, and a river. Nile is a name of river. So it is called as a proper noun. Next is common noun. Common nouns are the names given in common to person, places, animals or things of same kind. For example, queen, school and pen. Okay, so the names like vegetables, fruits, all these are common nouns. Next, we have abstract nouns. What is an abstract noun? Nouns that name ideas, qualities and feelings are called abstract nouns. For example, see, we should show kindness to animals. So, which is the abstract noun in this? Yes? Correct. Kindness. Okay? Then, honesty is the best policy. So, here which is the abstract noun, children? Honesty. So, these are all abstract ideas which we cannot see. Then, next, collective nouns. Collective nouns are the names of persons, animals or things that indicate a group. Example, chest of drawers, pride of lions, crowd of people. So, with chest of drawers, which is the collective noun here? Chest. Pride of lions. So here which is a collective noun? Pride. And crowd of people. So crowd is a collective noun. Okay. Now next is material noun. What is material noun? Material nouns are names of material out of which things are made. For example, gold, water, iron, rice, etc. Now these things cannot be counted but are measured. Okay. Now let's see some examples. Okay, then it will be clear to you. Underline the pronouns and circle common nouns. So in this sentences we have to underline the proper noun. Okay. Underline the proper nouns and circle common nouns. Right. So let's start. First sentence. Ashoka was a great king. So in this, which is a proper noun? Correct. Ashoka is the proper noun. So we will underline it. And which is the common noun? Yes. King is the common noun. So we will circle. See the next sentence. Silky is my pet dog. So, which is the proper noun here, children? Correct. Silky, because it's the name of the dog. So, Silky is the proper noun. And what is the common noun here? Yes, dog is a noun. So, we will circle it. Next sentence. Thane is a clean city. So, here which is a proper noun? Yes, Thane is the proper noun. So, underline it. And what is a common noun? Correct. City is a common noun. So we will circle it. Look at the last sentence. Ria is an industrious girl. So here, which is a common noun, children? Ria is an industrious girl. Correct. Girl is the common noun. And which is a proper noun? Yes. Ria is the proper noun. So I hope common noun and proper noun is clear to you all. Okay? So now, let's proceed. Next. Select the correct collective nouns. So in the brackets, you are given options there. You have to click the correct collective noun. A fleet pride of lions. So which is the collective noun here? Fleet of lions or pride of lions? Yes, it's a pride of lions. A pride of lions. Next one. A flock crew of birds. What will come? Flock of birds or crew of birds? Crew is for sailors, right? So, flock of birds. Then, a bunch, bale of grapes. So, here which will be a collective noun? Very good. Bunch of grapes. A troop, colony of dancers. So, what will come here? Troop of dancers or colony of dancers? Yes, your troop of dancers. And the last sentence, a suit string of pearls. So what will come? A suit of pearls or a string of pearls? Correct, a string of pearls. Okay, so I hope collective noun is also clear to you all, right? Let's proceed. Next, pick out the abstract noun and material noun. We should show kindness to animals. So, which noun is there in this sentence? Abstract noun or material noun? Yes? Correct. Your kindness is an abstract noun. Okay? Next sentence. Yes, we'll just see the sentences. The chain is made of gold. So, which is the noun here, children? Is there abstract noun or material noun? Yes. Gold is material noun. Which is the noun? Gold is, the chain is made of gold. Next, the army man fought with bravery. So, here which is the noun? Correct. Bravery is abstract noun. Next, Ramola's knowledge of German is good. So, which is the noun here? Yes, knowledge is abstract noun. Then last sentence, the bat is made of wood from a tree. So, here which is the noun? Correct. We have wood here as material noun. What is the bat made of? Made of wood. Okay. So, I hope children all the nouns are clear to you all now once again. Now, let's proceed to the next topic. That is adjective and kinds of adjectives. Okay. So, what is an adjective? An adjective describes or modifies nouns and pronouns in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about a noun or pronoun. Adjectives usually provide relevant information about the nouns, pronouns they modify, describe by answering the question, what kind? Okay, so an adjective, it describes a noun or a pronoun. Now let's see the different types of adjectives, kinds of adjectives. So which are the different kinds of adjectives? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. These are the different kinds of adjectives. So let's study each of them. What is adjective of quality or descriptive adjective? It can be defined as an adjective which is used in the sentence to express the size, shape and color of a person, thing or animal or place. Then what is adjective of quantity? It answers the question how much. Examples like some, any, little, much, enough, sufficient, insufficient, all, whole, great, etc. Next we have adjective of number. Adjective which states the number of persons or things is called the adjective of number or numeral adjective. Okay, so adjective which states the number of persons or things is called the adjective of number or numeral adjective. Next we have demonstrative adjectives. The most common demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these and those. The demonstrative adjective in a sentence will come just before a noun and tells you what it is specifically or specially modifying. Okay? Then, what is distributive adjective? An adjective used to refer to each and every person, thing separately is called distributive adjective. That is each, every, either, neither, any, one, both, etc. Then interrogative adjective. A word that modifies a noun by asking a question is called interrogative adjectives. And the last is possessive adjective. What is possessive adjective? A word that indicates the possession of the noun to a person's, a few people. Like the possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, theirs, her and its. Okay. Now, after we solve some examples, it will be clear to you. Identify the adjective and state its kind. Tokyo is a big city. Now just look at these examples, children. Tokyo is a big city. So which is the adjective in this sentence? Yes. Big is an adjective. And what adjective it is? Adjective of quality. She ate some rice. So which is the adjective in this sentence? Some. And which kind of adjective it is? Adjective of quantity. Whose bag is this? So here you can see there is a question mark. So what kind of adjective it is? Correct. Interrogative adjective. Those books belong to you. So here which will be the adjective? Yes, those. And what kind of? Those means it is pointing out, right, to something. So then it is which kind of adjective? Yes, demonstrative adjective. Which way shall we go? So here again you can see a question mark, and so which kind of adjective? Yes, interrogative adjective. Which will be interrogative adjective. We did not receive sufficient rain this year. In this, which is the adjective, children, in this sentence? Yes, sufficient. And which kind of adjective? Adjective of quantity. Then each hand has 5 fingers. Now tell me, children, here, which is the adjective? Yes, each. There is one more adjective in this. It's not necessary that a sentence will have only one adjective. It can be more than one. So which is the other adjective? Yes, 5. It is adjective of number or numeral adjective. And each is distributive adjective. So children, today we have revised the 2 topics, nouns and adjectives. I hope it's clear to you all. So we shall stop for the day. Thank you, children.